The next few minutes could save you hours. The Whirl makes an indispensable partner for cleaning contractors, hire shops, garages, schools, local authorities, and anyone with a flat surface cleaning problem. The Whirl can be used with cold or hot water, with pressures up to 240 bar. With the ability to clean up to 20 square meters per minute, the Whirl operator-friendly design dramatically reduces fatigue and increases productivity, saving up to 80% on labor costs. There are 4 different models to choose from 16 to 24 inches.